Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking about the ballerina wrap. How much ribbon do you need? How do you do it? Actually quite easy. Begin by measuring the diameter of your vase. Then multiply that by how many strips you want to do. So for this one, it'd be the diameter times 4, and then double it. Once you have that done, hold it in your hand so that you're starting at the middle. Then starting from the back, bring it to the front. Give it a sharp twist so that you are reversing the direction of the ribbon and creating your knot. So that's the starting point. Loosen it up, bring it to the back, wrap it around to the front, and repeat. Reverse your ribbon, create your knot, and then line it up so it keeps it straight to the back. Pulling it taut, front, twist, lining them up again, round to the back, to the front, and tie it in a knot at the bottom. Now you know how the pros do it. Quick and easy, and just enough tails to give you a little drama at the bottom.